Now here's a cool car. I think it's about a 1963 Oldsmobile 98. Very nice. Let's check this out. Love the back of it. Beautiful, clean, crisp design. Such a neat design. Certainly a long way away from some of the late 50s Harley Earl style. You can see Bill Mitchell's influence here in this design. The clean cut, sort of tailored suit look. And also that very formal C-pillar that, if you're familiar with Australian cars, the E.H. Holden had a similar upright roof line. Very cool. Nice spongy suspension. Looks good, Dave. What motor's in it?
394.
394, yeah. Is it a 63 model?
Yes.
Yeah.
63,
98. Very cool.
Doesn't feel like we've got much in the way of...
Look at that T-bar auto. Beautiful interior.
Oh, when it backfired. When it backfired.
And then what's the gauge in the center console in front of the...
Tacho.
Oh, it's a tacho, is it? Wow. That's an unusual feature for such a large automatic American car. Cool. Very nice.